Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, peoples. Welcome to another live stream. Um, diden effects. Today is the 22nd of November 2024. You can see we made a move approach towards the 20 EMAs, but had a rejection. Didn't get to it though. We had a 40 pips from the previous low, almost a 40 pips, so 38 pips from the previous low downwards, and had a rejection. And now breaking the highs. Yeah. So that's what we have going on. Currently, it's um, down for the week, 28, $286. Hoping that we'll have a bounce back. This is looks like a nice move towards the field of this wick. So the kind of field of wick. Looking at it, I'm looking at it, I'm looking at it, I'm looking at it. So it gets to 6 to 689. I think I'll jump in. This should be missing upwards. Should be a nice move upwards. 27 pips. 27 pips, guys. 27 pips. 17 minutes off the top. You have to watch carefully. Have to watch carefully. You have to be careful. Careful, 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 careful. So how was the day yesterday, guys? How was your day? How was the day yesterday? How was your day? How was the day yesterday? Uh, the guys may have a rejection. See how that goes. I'm kind of like confused right now. I don't know if he's going to reject or be back up. Let's hope. Let's hope he does. I can't. If I want to choose, I would say I would want it to reject, move towards the downside. Looks like that's where it's going to. Anyways, oh, let's go, let's let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's I was feeling my mic is not. I have a feeling my mic is not loud enough. Oh, we're about to break. Oh no, I have an rejection. Okay, I stopped echoing. Please. Hmm. If we break the high rather, I think we're gonna be pulling up. The high has been broken again. We'll be pulling up. I think I'll jump in. In or lose. Wow, I have to. Well, it's still waiting. I don't know. Since wait a little bit to really confirm the move. That's one thing. When you want to wait and really confirm the move, that's when the kind of just keep moving. The volume is still low. You have people have more volume in the previous candle than this candle. So let's see. Let's see how that goes. You know, yesterday, let me tell you something happened yesterday, guys. I missed my flight. Yeah, it was crazy. I just missed it by like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I was driving like crazy, driving really fast, almost got my car. Or putting back down. If it breaks it low, the best action for us is to wait till it breaks this very low. Pull back down. That would give us like a 30 pips. I think that's what we should wait for. If you want to be really safe, if you want to be really safe. But if you want to be ambitious, the break of this low will be an ambitious move. Seriously, it's going to be an ambitious move. And check out the confirmations, right? You know, this week, this week, this week, you know, and look at the trajectory going down. So that would that would that would be good. That would be good. That would be good. Price. Remember, if it breaks, I think I'll jump in. I think I would. I will jump in. Brooks is low. Well, it has to break the low to a significant amount. Let me be very sure. Fake out to the top, breaking the low. It's kind of just still ranging, and it is. Looks like it's just ranging. Support, resistance, support, resistance. It's finding difficult to break the low. It's finding way too difficult. You can see it's struggling. Breaking low, breaking low. Yeah, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, jumping in. I mean, that's good enough confirmation for me. Stop loss would be huge because you have to give this thing a loan. 50, 30 pips, whatever. 30 pips, there. Something in this account. Something on my other accounts. You gotta have a. It's against the trend anyways. But image. Very nice. Let's say this. Let's see how it goes. See how it goes. Alright, that push, that push. I need that push downwards. You know that push that the image is still that push that image to give us like straight down to the image, straight down that push. You know, for the past 3, 4 days now, the enemy has been like the magnets has not been driving things downwards. That push. Oh, guys, this does not look good. Let's hope it is good. Um, this is the same thing that happened yesterday, guys. If you can remember, same thing, same trade, and it went up. It went up. It went up. Same thing that happened yesterday. Fuse. Same thing. Same thing, guys. Let me show you guys. What was yesterday? It was yesterday. 7, 6. Yeah? No. Here. Here, same thing. Pull down around here. Then we were hoping that it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop down. Didn't drop down. Came back up. Broke this high and took us out. Then boom, drove up. It's exactly what's happening here. So we did not learn from our mistakes. Probably would have waited more. Probably would have waited. Probably would have waited more. The the aim is the next to make it up is 30 seconds. Oh, we didn't learn from our mistakes. She's gonna get down, then pull back up. Unless the magic does its thing. Unless the magical opinion does its thing. Let's see how that goes. So I was saying that yesterday I missed my flight. Driving up in my mind. Still, still missed it. So I hope I don't miss it today. I'll get there on time anyways. It's not gonna happen. Oh, it's just call this guy. It's calling right. I'm calling me. Will you not learn from yesterday's mistake? How about the momentum at which the candle was just pulling back down and had nothing in my mind but to jump in it, jump in, you know, downwards, for the candle to pull downwards. It was so clear. But immediately after that, we just entered, the whole thing just reversed. Crazy. The whole thing just reversed. Um, I think if it breaks the high, it's no point holding the trade. I think so. I'll give you some little bit of room. The magnet, what's going on? It's not been acting right for us. What's going on? Mm. Four losses, three, just one win. Mm. It's not good. It's not good for you, the magnet. It's not good for you. It's not good for you. It's not good for you. Oh, just like we said. I have a good feeling like the magnet will work out today. If I could hold on. If I could hold fluid, it's not gonna take stop loss. So it's going to jet backwards, but I'll tell you guys why. Hold on 1 minute. Because we've been moving since we've been moving up since the Asian session. We're moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. The rejection here, bounce back. Buyers stepped in again, like, oh no, let's still go up. We tried going up again. I had another rejection. Then buyers bounced in again. I'm like, oh, let's get into this game. Still came back down. Sellers, again now the buyers. This is the third attempt that the buyers had after the major rejection back downwards. This is the third attempt. So if they did something once, they did it a second time, no way. What do you guys expect? What is it not? See, the buyers, the sellers tried to pull it down first time. Then they tried second time. They didn't get to the end. And now there should be a third one. There should be a third one. And definitely the third one will break. That's what I'm seeing. And look at the strength of the sellers. Look at this one. It's good strength. It did go up here. Then the sellers came in again. The buyers were already, sorry, the buyers now came in again. More or less of another strength, because we're going to give the strength. This push it turns up because it actually broke the high of the previous one. But even at that, still put back down again. You know, and we're seeing this as their 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 last attempt. You know, I just hope this candle doesn't break through again. But in breaking through, for the third attempt to also break the high is really difficult. I think it's difficult. The sellers are going to kick in. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So this support is now what we're. If this support could break, if it could break, that's it. If it could break, that's it. All we need to do is to break the support. That's all we need to do. I only need a volume to push downwards to break that support. You need a lot of volume to really push it. We need the volume to push it to break the support. Let's hope we have volume. Yeah, this is diden FX trading with the magnets. Unfortunately, for the past 2 days, the magnet has not done us good. But let's hope today will be another different day. When I say the magnets, so yes, what's this? What's this? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the magnets. This is what we call the magnets. The 20 mm. This is the magnet, bro. It's the magnet, bro. So we're hoping that the magnet's gonna. Why is this thing popping up? Stop disturbing me. What the heck? So the magnets, you gotta do a thing to the magnets. You gotta do a thing today. 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 The magnet. Gotta do it. That's it, guys. We are just gonna be grateful at this point in time. We're in a trade. Once you're in a trade, there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. There's just two things: take a loss or take a win. Yeah, that's it. You could, as well, get out and break even if you want. So I'll say three things: take a loss, take a win, or get out and break even if you have the opportunity. Yeah, kind of. It's not doing what we wanted to do. It's not doing. It's not doing. Mm, trying. Yesterday, yesterday it went back to the enemy, but that was at about 11. Came back down. This is what we're looking for. This is just exactly what we're looking for. Break the load. Then push back down, hit the end, and it's exactly what we're looking for. Look at this one here. Same thing. So, like I said, I think what I would have done was to wait for it to break the zero and probably just take a small, you know, a second with $100 and call it a day. That would have been the best option. Well, I was ambitious. Managed to appetite, promise, but didn't happen. What hasn't happened yet? Are we still hopeful? We're hopeful if it doesn't break the high of this candle. If it does, I think we'll be losing hope. We will be losing hope. We will be losing hope. Another day, another struggle. Mm. Yeah, I think I've had five straight losses before. Yeah, no, even six, not five. Then what followed up was I think 6 or 7 straight minutes. My last bad test, I think I had a 4 straight loss, and I had 9 straight wins. Can you comprehend that? 9 straight wins. Crazy, crazy, bro. Circles. See how it goes. See how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the money making scam. Money making scam. I was on a large balance stream yesterday. I first had a loss, then I went break even. Large Thanks. I think Riley's going to be on stream Wednesday. I hope I should be available for that. Probably not heading up to the airport or something. He said London. I think he said London, so it should be up shortly. Roger Banks. That's my nigga. My nigga. So it's finding it difficult to break the kind of high, the previous kind of high. Oh, you're still finding it too difficult. Oh, now that I've said so, he wants to break it. Can you imagine? If it breaks it, man, we've lost like the hope. The hope is gone. Oh, it's broken. Oh, this is gonna be a losing trade. Oh, it's gonna be a losing trade. Surely it's a losing trade. Uh, uh close it. Close it. What? Close it or take the loss. Close it or take the loss. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Really looks like a losing trade. Okay, if it breaks it high again, there's no point. There's no point. There's no point. I'll close. It breaks high. I shows. Was it day before yesterday that we had something like this and it pulled back down? Yeah, I think it was day before yesterday. Let's see, let's see. Just day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. This is yesterday. The day before yesterday. Mm, what is the day before yesterday? This is this is today. Yesterday. It doesn't do yesterday. Or the day before day before yesterday. Yeah, I think. Let's see. Let's see. No, cherry rice. Come on. Did the same thing. Yeah. Yes, this was it. At about five, they break the low. We jumped in. Immediately we jumped in and came back up, broke the high, went up a bit, then all of a sudden, poof, down to the end. See guys? Went straight down to the end. That's what happened the day before, the day before yesterday. I don't know, 19th. It dropped. So obviously, it's not looking good. Whether we in this one. Oh, oh, it has broken the high. So, okay, soon enough. That it's it's put up. Mm, put up test. Thanks to the weight. Mm, mm. This week is not our week at all. Terrible week. Trust me. It's not a good week. Maybe next week will be good. Next week will be good. Next week we're gonna have greens. this week. I think it's bad already. But if you could win this trade, if you could win this trade alone already put you. That's how nice it is. But that's what it look like. We're gonna win it. That's what it look like. We're going to. I still want to give it some room. Maybe it might go bad. Maybe, but it's my stop loss. So see. It's not gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna call it again. Let's see. It's not me. Get about it. Let's see. Yeah, it's a losing trade. Outcoast. Put my gun again. See if it gets behind it. Oh, it has. No, Ghost. Those guys. It's a loss. There's no point for it to hit the stop loss. Another losing day. Guys, just don't worry. Stay focused. One trade day. Our winning days are coming. Not here yet, but they're on the way. Don't worry about it, guys. It's always like that. Sometimes. I said we're still gonna be a little bit careful last time yesterday, but I think we're still jumping early again. So what we need is patience. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a little bit of patience. Always putting back down now. Can you imagine this? I'm gonna have a little bit of patience. Right. So without further ado, it's a losing day. Remember, one trade a day takes the pain away. One trade a day takes the pain away. Don't take another trade. Accept the loss. Just accept it with love, with 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 passion. Like, oh, I've had a loss. Be proud of your loss and like take it like, oh, it's a loss and I accepted it. The minute you take another trade, you haven't accepted that loss. See, like I've always been saying, the professional traders, what they do is they they only trade like 3 trades, 4 trades, or maybe sometimes 6, 7 trades in a whole month. You know, so we that were day traders, like, and we're scalpers. We usually take a whole lot of trades, and most of our trades are sheet trades. So taking 30 trades, or rather, sorry, 21 or so, or 22 trades, because there's some days you do not have a trade. It's it's um it's amazing because you're not trading too much, you're not over trading, and you can, whatever loss you have, you can cancel that loss with just like 2 trades, and the losses are gone. Just 2 trades, you cancel the whole losses that you've had. If you had 4 straight losses, if you had 5 straight losses, even if you have 6 straight losses, if you have 6 straight losses and you have like 3 wins, trust me, guys, you have canceled probably almost all your losses. Yeah, take it from me. So the key to it is just take one trade a day, one trade a day, and call it a day. Makes you, um, you know, it puts you in that position where you can get back all your losing trades. Because if you then now take another trade, guess what? It's gonna be your second loss. That's bad. And do you know what happens when you take the second loss? You don't want to have accept that loss. You don't want to. You can see yourself either, well, having a bigger stop loss than usual. Even as you're entering the trade, you just put a very big stop loss as usual. Then, or because your psychology ain't working right anymore, you could rather now say, okay, you don't want to lose much again, so you now put a very tiny stop loss. And guess what? Do you know what happens with tiny stop losses? Tiny stop losses get hit. They will just get hit like poof, like in 2 minutes. They're like, oh damn. And do you know what? And those tiny stop losses, you usually have like even more. If you want to really calculate it, they're even more compared to the big ones. So you now be having two trades, two losing trades. Guess what? The next day, what happens if you have another loss again the next day? That's three straight losses in just 2 days. And you probably take another one again. Maybe you have a win or maybe a loss. It's mad. So this the best thing to do in trading is just accept your losses and hold it back. Don't worry, the wins will always come. The wins will always come. You know. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys now and start preparing for my journey. Dinner effects is out. Bye guys.